How you doing, guys? It's Shezan here from AMG Motors, and today we're going to be revealing a new high performance vehicle for a customer, and we're going to show you what it used to look like before, and we're going to show you what we've done to the vehicle.
I feel like Mike Jordan, give me the rock and I'm scoring. Hey, came from the bottom, that's foreign. I swear that I'm up for the sun in the morning. Oof, hey, I gotta flex. I need a Nike bag, give me the check. I need the money and power, respect, but I promise.
This customer requested a hot hatch, and before it wasn't quite hot. So here we have the Mercedes A250. It used to be very basic, very standard, but this is what we've made it look like, and we're going to talk you through exactly what we've done. So the first thing we started on was the wheels. It used to have the 18-inch AMG alloys. So what we've done is put the Riviera RF 101 wheels on there, gloss black. The conversion required us to change the look of the car, so the A35, A45 sort of look we've created here is by introducing a diffuser and some tips at the back and a spoiler. So if you come around the side, we've actually put the side skirts on to go matching with the Aero kit, along with the front splitter and the canards. I didn't want to change the front bumper of the vehicle, so what we've actually done is put an AMG GT grille to give it that A35, A45 sort of look. So we wanted to do this transformation on a Mercedes A250 that was already pretty high spec. So we got the Premium Plus package, where you get your panoramic glass sunroof, reverse camera, electric seats memory package, Burmeister sound system, the interior ambient lighting, all these added options, and also the half leather, half fabric interior with a red contrast stitching. And it goes all the way to the door cards.
How can I help you?
Open sunroof.
I'm opening the roller sunblind on the sliding sunroof.
The finishing touches to the vehicle, last but not least, was the matte army green wrap. So we've wrapped the whole car in matte army green. So guys, you've seen the full transformation of the vehicle. Now let's see what the customer's gonna think.
Thought I told y'all that it's mine, whoa. They ain't try me yet, get your mind blown. When they throw shade, that's when I glow. I'm so ahead of y'all, that's a different time zone. Ooh, I gotta go. I've been working, told them please don't hit my phone. I'm in my zone, bruh, just leave me alone. Was on the road, but I swear I'm coming home. Now the drinks on me, I think we need a toast. See, I did it for me. Now my old friends calling, told them nothing's for free. Told me time is money, dog, swear I paid on my feet.
Exactly like this, and
Thought I told y'all that it's mine, whoa.
GT grill.
thank you, Shezan. Perfect. It's nice.
There you go, guys. Another car gone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. AMG Motors.